Welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation of definite integration. Already we completed part 1 introduction and some properties, some examples. Now we are going to start part 2 continuation problems and very important problems. Mostly you will get for 4 marks. Okay. Mr. Rishit, listen. Evaluate this and this next. I think more 4, 5, 6 questions there. See, evaluate this. What is the value of this? He is asking. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 by 2 x sin power 5 by 2 x plus cos power 5 by 2 x dx. Very easy model if you remember properties. Okay. Let the given question as I. This is I, equation number 1. By property, integral 0 to a f of x dx. What is this? Integral 0 to a f of upper limit minus x kada. This one lena property. If you have a to b, a plus b minus x. Only 0 to a minus x. So this is a which can be written as integral 0 to a means pi by 2 cos power 5 by 2 x means what? Pi by 2 minus x. We should replace x by upper limit minus x. Same property. By this is also same sin power 5 by 2 pi by 2 minus x plus cos power 5 by 2 pi by 2 minus x into dx. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. This is what? Sin theta. Sin power 5 by 2 x by sin na, so it will become cos power 5 by 2 x plus cos, right? So it will become sin power 5 by 2 x into dx. Take as equation number 2. Now 1 plus 2. I plus I, 2i, which is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, which is common. Denominator also same, na? Sin plus cos, sin plus cos. So denominator I am writing sin power 5 by 2x plus cos power 5 by 2x. Numerator should be added, na, LCM kabatti. Cos power 5 by 2x plus sin power. Cos power 5 by 2x plus sin power 5 by 2x into dx. These two will get answer. Remaining what here? 1. So which is 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. What is integral 1 dx? X 0 to pi by 2. Now which is upper limit minus lower limit. So what is the value of 2i? Pi by 2. Then what is the value of I? Pi by 4, which is the required answer. Okay na? Now come to next question. Same model, instead of 5 by 2 only 5 there. Instead of 5 by 2 only 5. So same process, you will get same answer, I think. So will you solve this? Can I give as homework? Same process, just 2 this and anta answer ade malli. Okay na? Same 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Cos power. So you will get here instead of sin cos. Cos got sin, sin got cos. Okay. So take as homework. Next question. Integral pi by 6 30 degrees to pi by 3 60 degrees. Root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx. This is also similar question. Very easy. Let this is equal to I, which is equation number 1. But here the property is different. What is the property? Integral lower limit and upper limit both we have here. Na? That's why a to b f of x dx. What is a to b f of x dx? A to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. This is the property which is equal to integral a to b. A to b means pi by 6 to pi by 3 root over sine of x means what? In place of x we have to write a plus b minus x. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. What is lower limit? Pi by 6 plus upper limit pi by 3 minus x by denominator root over same na, sine of lower limit upper limit minus x plus root over cos of lower limit plus upper limit minus x into dx. Pi by 6 value how much? 30. Pi by 33 value 60. 30 plus 60 So cos 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta formula. What is sin 90 minus x? Cos x. Cos 90 minus x. So which can be written as integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 root over cos x by root over cos x plus root over sin x. Any doubt? Let this is equation number 1. Okay now what is the process? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So I plus I. 2i and the interval same pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 6 to pi by 3. Denominator also same, root cos x sin x, root cos x sin x, root over sin x plus root over cos x into dx. Numerators will be added. Now this is what? Root sin x and this is what? Root cos x. Both will get integral 1 dx again. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 dx which is equal to x. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 which is equal to upper limit pi by 3 minus lower limit what? Pi by 6. Pi by 3 value how much? 60. Pi by 6 30. 60 minus 30? 30. So what is the value of 2i? 30. 30 means pi by 6. Then what is I equal to? Pi by 12. 2 6 12. Understand? Next, come to next question. This is also same model అన్న ఒకటే మోడల్ మీకు అక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి అన్ని కల్పిస్తున్నా మీకు. రైట్ సి let this is I equal to equation number 1. What is the property? 0 to a f of x dx. What is 0 to a f of x dx? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. If you write property, maybe you may get 1 mark, remember. So which is equal to 0 to a same pi by 2. This is sine square of, in place of x pi by 2 minus x only, na, upper limit minus x, and minus cos square of pi by 2 minus x by denominator sine cube of, what do you will get? Pi by 2 minus x plus cos cube of pi by 2 minus x into dx. What is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Here also sin theta, sin cos, cos sin. So which will get 0 to pi by 2. This is cos square x minus this is sin square x by this is cos cube x plus this is sin cube x into dx. Equation number 2. Same process. What we have to do? 1 plus 2 I plus I 2i which is equal to 0 to pi by 2 same na, 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2. Denominator also same, right? Sin cube cos cube. So sin cube x plus cos cube x. Numerators will be added. Now first write this. Sin square x minus cos square x plus cos square x minus sin square x into dx. Negative, positive, negative, positive. What is left part? 0. All will get cancelled. 0. So what is I value? 0. Understand? Continuation. Here minus a to a x square plus root over a square minus x square. This is also important question. See, minus a to a property we have. What is the property? I will write here. Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 ways we have, right? One is 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. One is 0. When it will happen? F of x is even function. F of x is odd function. Okay, this is a property. Let us check this is even or odd function. This is clearly even function. X square, again x square, again x square, again x square. Understand? Okay, I will show you in this question. Let's take f of x is equal to what? X square plus root over a square minus x square. Now replace, in place of x minus x, what it will become? Minus x whole square plus root over a square minus of minus x whole square which is equal to minus x whole square, again what? X square plus root over a square minus again minus x whole square will be x square. Same f of x. F of minus x is what? F of x. Therefore what? F of x is even. Even means you will get this one, this property. So which is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a means this one, a minus a to a is the answer. So a means what? A only. A x square dx plus integral 0 to a root over a square minus x square into dx. I wrote directly separate parts. I apply separate integration. Now what you will get? A. What is integral x square? X cube by 3. This is 2, right? So limits what? 0 to a plus here 2. 2 is the multiple for both. What is integral root over a square minus x square formula? This is a formula. Yeah, x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. But limits 0 to a. First here apply limits 2 into a cube by 3. Express lo a we have to write. 0 no need to write. Plus 2 into right upper limit. What is upper limit? A. If you write here a by 2, okay, but here a square minus a square 0. 0. Right here also upper limit. First write upper limit completely one function, then write lower limit, minus lower limit. If you write here a plus a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a, it is not 0. Next minus lower limit. If you write 0 here, 0 by something, 0 into something, 0. And here plus, if you write here 0 sine 0, 0. So this is 0. So for 0 you are getting completely 0. Now which is equal to 2a cube by 3 plus 2 multiple for this one, but zeros no need to multiply. For this one only I am doing a1 ja a cancel. So 2 a square by 2 sine inverse of 1. For which degree you will get 190. So which is equal to 2a cube by 3 plus 2 to a square into pi by 2. So a square pi by 2, we can take a square common, that is different thing. Your wish. Simplification. Okay. So this is the solution for this question. Next, and this is also one more very important question. Same question you will get again. This is half of the part of one more long answer that I wrote here. This one. See here. First this question. Yeah. See, integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx by property 1. So which we know property. What is the property? First let I equal to this equation number 1. I am writing here property integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay na? So if you substitute here, that is integral 0 to a means pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan. What you will get here in place of x? Pi by 4 minus x into dx, which is integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan of a minus b formula. What is tan of a minus b formula? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan a tan 45, this one a minus tan b tan x by 1 plus tan a tan 45 into tan b, that is tan x. Any doubt? Any doubt? What is the value of tan 45? Yeah, 1. Tan 45 value 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Okay na? This is directly trigonometry formula. Tan 45 minus x is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Right? Ledante cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x also we can write. You have in B, maths 1b differentiation, which is integral 0 to pi by 4 log of, do LCM, it will come this side, that is 1 plus log x plus 1 minus log x by 1 plus log x into dx log x. So what is left part? Tan x, sorry, not log x. Yeah. So 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, which is LCM into dx. Tan x 1 plus 1 2, 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan x into dx. So I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. This is log a by b formula, log a minus log b. Log a means log 2, right? Minus b means log of 1 plus tan x, right? Now apply integration separately, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x into dx, which is the question given. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. What we taken there? I. So we can write here I. So I is equal to log 2 outside, log 2 of integral 0 to pi by 4 1 dx minus I. I, if you take this side, plus I plus I, 2i. So 2i is equal to log 2 into what is integral 1 dx? X. X. What are the limits? 0 to pi by 4. So 2i is equal to log 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, which is pi by 4. Now take to that side, that is I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is m set bit. Pi by 8 log 2 option you have to select, then you will get the full marks. Understand? Now see, did you understand this? Same half of the part in this question you have. See, this is very important long answer type. See, integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. First substitution method, put x is equal to tan x. What? Tan theta. What is the differentiation of tan theta? Secant square theta. Differentiation, secant square theta. Tan x differentiation secant square x only, na? So tan theta secant square theta d theta. Now substitute integral. Array, we need to change the limits also, na? Upper and lower. Upper limit. What is upper limit? X is equal to 1, then theta is equal to pi by 4. Hella sir. X is equal to 1 means tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 means theta 45. Tan 45 1. Lower limit. X is equal to 0 means theta also 0. Why? Because tan 0 0 only. Now substitute here. For lower limit 0 only. Upper limit will be pi by 4 log of 1 plus what we taken as x? Tan theta. And what about dx? Secant square theta d theta. By the denominator 1 plus what? X means tan square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta identity? 1 plus tan square theta entra. Huh? Secant square theta. So this secant square theta cancel, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Let this as I equation number 1. This only the previous question. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. There you go. In terms of theta, that is in terms of x. From here onwards, same process. By the property. What is the property? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same answer you will get, which is equal to 0 to a means pi by 4 log of 0 to a means pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta means what? Pi by 4 minus theta into d theta. Tan of a minus b formula just now I said you 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Integral 0 to pi by 4 same other process. Log of 1 plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into d theta LCM, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of denominator will come this way, that is what? 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Tan theta. So integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Log of a by b formula, na? 0 to pi by 4 log a log 2 into d theta I am writing directly, minus log b 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. This is only the equation number 1 what we taken, right? So I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Instead of that I am taking log 2 outside, integral 0 to pi by 4 1 d theta minus this is what? I plus I. 2i is equal to log 2 integral 1 d theta is theta, na? 0 to pi by 4. So 2i is equal to log 2 pi by 4 minus 0, which is pi by 4. So I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. Same answer, huh? Same answer. Understand? So long answers also you have this model. They all are related to property, Nana. One more very important question. 21 onwards, remember, very important long answers only. 21 or 22. So 22 question, that is 22 and 23 very similar. I am giving 22. So that is, see, show that integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x is equal to into dx is equal to pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Yeah, very important long answer this is. In the same model with little bit change, you have one more question in exercise, that also I will explain you. See, show that this is equal to this. First of all, see, this is LHS, right? Integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x, let equation number 1 and also I. Okay, na? Now by the property, what is the property? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, na? Listen carefully. Now, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. X will be pi by 2 minus x, na? Okay. By denominator, sin 180, 90 minus theta. Ikkada, you have to write what your sin of pi by 2 minus x. That I am writing directly cos x. Antuna. Okay, no problem. Cos of what? Pi by 2 minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x by, this will be cos x, this will be sin x into dx. Now here, this is I write, take equation number 2 and add. Equation number 2. 1 plus 2, I plus I. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. And denominator also same, na? Cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x. That is what? Sin x plus cos x. Numerators will be added, right? Here what? X plus pi by 2 minus x into dx, xx. Remaining what? Pi by 2, which is equal to pi by 2 outside, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by sin x plus cos x. Cos x. This is what? 2i. From here onwards, you know very well, this is type 7. Only denominator sin x and cos x unte type 7. What is the working rule for type 7? Very good. So from here onwards, type 7, let what? Let tan x by 2 is equal to t. And we know dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Previous indefinite integration types videos lo boladeni samulu cheptunnam. And here we have to do extra changes. Upper limit. What is upper limit? Upper limit what here? Pi by 2. Right here, pi by 2 by 2 how much? Pi by 4. So x is equal to pi by 2, then theta is equal to, t is equal to what? T is equal to 1 pi by 4, tan pi by 4 value and 1. Next, lower limit. X is equal to what? 0, na? Then what is tan 0? 0. T is equal to 0. Here what we are doing, మనం ఎలా మారుస్తున్నామంటే, this question is completely belongs to variable x. We are converting in terms of variable t. Here we are changing all in terms of t. Sin x in terms of t, cos x in terms of t, dx in terms of t. What about the values that we are changing? ఎలా అంటే, what we taken substitution, what? Tan x by 2 is equal to t కదా. What is x value or lower limit? Right here 0. Tan 0 by 2, 0, tan 0, 0, t0. Next here, what is upper limit x? Pi by 2. Substitute here pi by 2. Pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, 1. T value, 1. So, these are x values. Those are t values. Now substitute here. Yeah, easy. 2I is equal to already there pi by 2 integral for 0 0 for 91 and numerator dx, that is what dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square by sin x plus cos x, sin x 2t by 1 plus t square plus cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now 2 we can cancel directly this 2 and this 2. Okay, cancel. Now what is left part? I is equal to pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square by LCM what? 1 plus t square. Numerator 2t plus 1 minus t square. This. Now I is equal to pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 dt by 2t plus 1 minus t square. Again type 1. Denominator only quadratic equation. So we have to convert into perfect square. 1 by a square plus x square minus x square minus a square. ఏదో ఒక form లో convert చేయాలి. Further t square should be positive, take minus common. So I is equal to minus pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 dt by t square minus 2t. This is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 I am writing plus 1 minus 2. Can I write? Why? To convert this part into perfect square. A square minus 2a, b means into 1. Can we write into 1? B square means 1 square. So which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square. So which is equal to minus pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 dt by t minus 1 whole square minus 2. To eliminate this minus, apply again minus denominator. Appudu meeku em vastundante, this is I is equal to, so I is equal to pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 not changing dt by, if you apply minus, this will be negative, this will be positive. So I am writing first 2 minus t minus 1 whole square. This 2 also I am writing root 2 whole square. Can I write? Since we need to convert into a formula. What is the formula now? Integral dx by a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So now write pi by 2 into 1 by 2a. What is a? Root 2 log mod a root 2 plus x t minus 1. Here also a root 2 minus x minus t plus 1. Limits. What are the limits? 0 to 1. Here this is LHS what? I only, na? Yeah. I is equal to pi by this is 4 root 2. Can we write 2 2 ja? Now first write upper limit na 1. 1 minus 1? Minus 1 plus 1? Log mod here root 2 left, here also root 2 left only. Why? Because this is also minus 1 plus 1 0. Only root 2 there. Minus lower limit log mod t0. So remaining root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Any doubt? Now root 2 remaining log 1. Log 1 value 0, which is equal to pi by 4 root 2 0. This is log of a by b form. నేనేం చేస్తున్నా ప్లస్ log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Can I write? A by b, if you write b by a, you will get minus. Malli b by a, so malli minus. Okay, if you write denominator, numerator, denominator in logarithm, you will get what? Minus extra. Now, what I am doing, the proof is nothing but what? Pi by 2 root 2, more 2 extra there. Log of only root 2 plus 1, but there is one more root 2 minus 1. Further, what I am doing, I am doing rationalization. Okay, I will try to complete here. Pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. This there. What I am doing? Into root 2 plus 1 by into root 2 plus 1. Rationalization with root 2 plus 1. Denominator. Okay, na? So here root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 will be 1. A minus b into a plus b, a square, root 2 whole square 2, b square 1 square 1, 2 minus 1, 1, denominator 1. Come to numerator, this is pi by 4 root 2 log of numerator, same thing. Now that's why you will get what? Root 2 plus 1 whole square. 2 times you have. Denominator will be only 1. Root 2 whole square is 2, 1 square is 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now this 2 will be the multiple. Why? Because log x power n is n log x. So which is equal to 2 pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel. Finally answer pi by 2 root 2 log mod root 2 plus 1. Understand? So the similar problem you have one more. That is in exercise 7b, third Roman, 13th question. Third Roman, 13th question. This is 22nd, huh? 23rd. What is the question? Tell me. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by sin x plus cos x dx. So దానికి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే here you have numerator x, here you have no x, only sin square x. This is easy comparing to that. Why? Because if what happened if you write, I mean after substitution of the property, again here, see again here what? Pi by 2 left there. But if you write in this, pi by 2 will not be left. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. Pi by 2 will be vanished. For this question, the answer will be similar, but pi will not exist. Okay. Let I equal to this is equation number 1. Now by property what? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Now substitute, which is equal to integral 0 to a means 0 to pi by 2. Sin square x will become what? Cos square x. Can I write directly? Can I write directly? Why I am writing cos square x, ra? By the property upper limit minus x. What is upper limit? Minus x sin 90 minus theta. అందుకని రాస్తున్నా ఇప్పటిదాకా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చెప్పినవి అవే. So it will become what? Cos square x by, this will become what? Cos x, this will become what? Sin x into dx. Let equation number 2. This is also I. Now what? 1 plus 2. So I plus I. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 is same. Numerator, denominator same. That is what? Sin x plus cos x. Numerator will be added. Sin square x plus cos square x into dx. Sin square x plus cos square x what? 1. So which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx by sin x plus cos x. This is 2i. Same you have there, instead of this pi by 2 extra. Pi by 2 only. This pi by 2 is there. ఇది లేకుంటే సేమ్ అదే 0 to pi by 2 dx by sin x plus cos x. 0 to pi by 2 dx by sin x plus cos x. So answer also pi by 2 extra. Pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. This will be same. So pi by 2 extra. You will get answer what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Chalo. This is type 7. The method is what? Put tan x by 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Sin x is equal to what? 2t. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And upper limit, lower limit. We know 0 to pi by 2 always 0 to 1 only. Okay, check cheddam. Upper limit x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Then t is equal to what? 1. Pi by 2 by 2, 45. And lower limit x is equal to what? 0. Then t is equal to what? 0. Substitute. Therefore, 2I is equal to integral for 0 0 for 91 for 90 what 1, and now numerator dx will be what 2 dt by 1 plus t square by, and sin x plus cos x, so sin x what 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, this two cancel, so I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square by LCM also 1 plus t square, numerators will be added now 2t plus 1 minus t square, 1 plus t square 1 plus t square, so which is I is equal to integral 0 to 1 dt by 2t plus 1 minus t square. Now I am writing t square minus 2t plus 1 minus 2, taking what common? Minus common. Same already I did now, that's why I am writing directly. So this is a perfect square, that is minus integral 0 to 1 dt by t minus 1 whole square minus this is root 2 whole square, can we write? So if you apply minus integral 0 to 1 dt by root 2 whole square minus of t minus 1 whole square, this is what I, and which formula? G integration, so integral dx by a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So here a root 2 x that, so which is equal to what? 1 by 2a, a means root 2 na, log mod a plus x, root 2 plus this, root 2 minus this, so root 2 plus x means t minus 1 by root 2 minus t plus 1, okay na. Limits, what are the limits? 0 to 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log of, if you write lower limit already we know, upper limit you know, we know 1 you will get log 1. Why? Because 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, root 2 by root 2 1. And lower limit minus log mod, lower limit if you substitute what you will get? Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1, okay na. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 root 2, this will be 0, and to make this positive I am writing what? Log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1, a by b will be b by a. Now rationalization, that is root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1, so it will become 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 whole square by this is 1, take numerator this side, power this side, that is 2 by 2 root 2 log root 2 plus 1, 2 to 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. So instead of extra pi by 2, there you have pi by 2 also, just see, your pi by 2 is there extra, since pi by 2 extra, here there is no pi by 2, okay, understand? So more we have questions, long answers questions, all long answers only, and I want to give you one more question as homework, that is question number 24, very well known question, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 5 dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. See 0 to pi by 2 లేకుండా క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం మనం, మీకు నేను ఇచ్చాను కూడా, ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ ఐ గేవ్ ఇన్ వర్క్ షీట్ ఆల్సో, ఐ థింక్ ఐ గేవ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్సో, 0 to pi by 2 లేకుండా సేమ్. హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ type 7, put a tan x by 2 equal to t, limits will become 0 to 1, dx 2 dt by 1 plus t square, 5 plus 4 plus 5 cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, LCM same type 1 perfect square formula, okay na. So this is homework, long answer only and very important, this is also. Next I will give you one more question and I will stop. Okay, 1 2 3 4, okay, for more 4 5 questions there, with those questions and limit of some questions I will complete this exercise in next video, okay. Thank you, share to maximum, first practice these questions and morning questions, okay, thank you.